Application of Lab-on-Chip (LOC) in Food Safety Sensing, a review. By Srithi P. S., Srithi P. B. and Senthil Kumar R. This study mainly focuses on the processing, types, and materials used for Lab-on-Chip (LOC) fabrication and application of LOC in food safety sensing. When paired with microfluidic techniques, Lab-on-Chip (LOC) provides an automated, compact platform that enhances analysis for a variety of applications. Using this LOC idea in biosensors makes a variety of analyses easier and faster to detect, particularly when it comes to food safety sensing. Microfluidic chips, also known as Lab-on-a-Chip devices or microfluidic devices, are miniaturized platforms that manipulate small volumes of fluids. Typically in the microliter, 10 to the power -6 liters, to picoliter, 10 square liters, range. These chips integrate various functions such as sample preparation, analysis, and detection into a single, compact device. The advancement in biosensors to Lab-on-Chip devices is possible through implementing microfluidics integrated sensing platforms. Microfluidics is an upcoming and novel research area that gives an innovative stream to work with fluid analysis. Channels and chambers, manipulation of fluids, sample handling and preparation, chemical and biological analysis, point-of-care diagnostics, high-throughput screening, customizability, and scalability are the main applications of microfluidics technology on Lab-on-Chip. Point-of-care diagnostics in food processing is the main focus of this chapter. The processing method and fabrication of Lab-on-Chip material and some important applications in food safety are discussed in this chapter. There are also some innovative materials like nanomaterials, graphene and conductive polymers along with already known paper-based LOC. More technological advancement and research is to be done on LOC-based biosensors, especially in field of food safety for precise qualitative and quantitative analysis. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.